I'm in night, low, roll, getting hot, smoking dope. Apple pie, coffee, oh, smooth stamps, quote, quote. I'm in night, low, roll, getting hot, smoking dope. Apple pie, coffee, oh, smooth stamps, quote, quote. I'm in night, low, roll, getting hot, smoking dope.
What do you need to have to start a vlog? Now, for a motovlog, besides the camera, mic, standard stuff, you need the bike. But for regular vlogs, you need to have a decent camera and you need to have a good mic to capture the sound, and that sound sounds more professional. Now you can use camera sound, but I don't recommend. It's a lot better with the mic. Now, oh, people going out Saturday evening. It's only me on a bike. We'll see. Will we meet another bikers tonight? Now, what do I have in my arsenal for motovlogging? Now, everything I mentioned, I will put it on the screen, because I think every item I have is available in almost all countries, but don't quote me on that. Now, for the camera, I have DJI Action 4, Osmo DJI Action 4. For the mic, I have a DJI Mic Mini. I opted out because it fits perfectly in my helmet, but I think the new DJI 3 mic came out and with some new features, and I think it could be very nice. Now, I'm not sure is the mic available for everyone and what's the prices in other countries. I can post the price in Croatia, so you can have it and see what's the prices in Croatia. But that's the camera option. Now for I have mount. It's not a glued mount on a helmet. I actually have strap on. Strap on. It's strapped with cords or something like that. I will. It's. I'm not sure which type it is. I will show some of the similar that you can buy. Telesin. I think it's worldwide. Telesin. That strap, chin strap mount that you can buy, but I'm not sure. And that's it. I think. Mount is. You can have a mount mounted with glue on a windshield, but I'm not sure how safe is that. I saw a lot of vloggers using that type of mount, but like I said, I'm not sure will it hold up in high speeds. I have it on a strap type holder, and I'm really satisfied. I didn't mess up my helmet, so that's one part what I'm happy, because a lot of if you go if you're using a helmet mounts, you can glue it to a helmet, but I'm not sure how much not how much does it ruin the helmet. I'm not sure does that ruin the helmet, but I have this type and I'm really satisfied with it. Like I said, DJI Osmo Action 4. You have Action 5, that's the newest model, but I have 4. I opted out for the 4 because of price. But it's a great camera, a lot of options. A lot of options, a lot of settings you can have played to have a great picture. People use on a daylight ND filters, which I don't use. Why? They're kinda expensive for me right now, but I'm planning to buy some ND filters when I start doing this stuff more seriously and not always unprepared. And not always unprepared. So that's it. And Mic Mini, not that's it. Mic Mini. It's actually a good product, and it lasts long. So I think it's 11 hours estimate time of talking, so that's a pretty decent life for that small mic. And yeah, that's it. That's the thing you need to have. I can show you how that all looks. How that all looks on when, if you want, I can show you how that looks on unpacked and on a table, but you have, I think you have enough tutorials on that. I can make if the people like or need information how to set up camera to look the same as me, I can show that, but I used a lot of different options, changed a lot of settings, because sometimes some things don't work. And of course I forgot a big part of motovlogging setup. It's a micro SD card. Micro SD card, which I think it's one of the most important things, because if you buy slower speed, you can ruin yourself a lot of footages, like I did. So use if you're on a budget, buy yourself a faster speed card with the smaller storage, and just switch or download every time you have a full storage. Download everything on a, if you use a DJI camera. You can connect mobile on a, you can connect the mobile to a camera and download everything on a mobile. So yeah, camera. DJI camera is a great camera. Really great camera. I cannot compare it to a GoPro because I didn't use GoPro. But the DJI camera is fantastic. It shoots very nice. Footages are okay. With my settings, I think you can actually have even better settings if you play with it. But with my settings, I'm really satisfied. You can have a nice, really nice pictures with it. So it's a great camera. Mic is also great. You get a lot of stuff with them in the boxes. So yeah, I recommend it. And if you don't wanna chin mount for a camera that's stick to a camera, you can buy the Telesin one or some like Chinese on the internet. So yeah, that's all what you need for a nice setup of vlogging. For motovlogs, you need for motovlogs you need a motorbike, motorcycle, and that's it. Now, how the footages will look, all the cinematic effects, it all boils down to how much you are invested in that, how much time you have, or how much knowledge you have. So patience is the key with the vlogging, and I think everyone can do it. Now, maybe for me, the biggest challenge is talking to you guys, but I opted out for talking, and that's it. And I think that will be a video. I will see if that cinematic shot I made is any decent. So if it is, I will maybe use that shot on the beginning of this video. We'll see. And that's it. Keep grinding, people. If you are doing this stuff, if you have problems with it, just keep grinding. Eventually it will come. The more you do it, I know I'm giving you advices, and my channel isn't growing, but I'll be patient. I just started. Like riding the bike, nothing comes over the night. So be patient, have fun, enjoy what you do, and thanks you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.